Hey everyone, and welcome back to CoinTalk Podcast on YouTube. Today we're doing a deep dive into Shiba Inu.
Oh boy.
Specifically, how to navigate this potential 45% drop that Crypto.news is predicting.
Yeah, it's not looking great. That's for sure. And for our viewers who are also SHIB holders, this deep dive is especially important.
Yeah.
We're going to break down exactly what's happening and help you figure out what to do next.
Okay.
So let's unpack this article from trcrypto.news and look at some warning signs.
Okay, sounds good. The first thing that jumps out is this death cross everyone's talking about.
Right.
For our CoinTalk podcast viewers, we've got a chart up on the screen right now so you can see exactly what that looks like. But isn't this a pretty common indicator?
Mm-hmm.
How worried should people actually be?
Well, it's considered bearish for a reason.
Yeah.
You know, when the 50-day moving average dips below the 200-day, historically, it's meant a price drop is coming. And the last time SHIB had a death cross back in June 2024, it plummeted over 40%.
Oh, wow.
Now, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, of course, but it's definitely something SHIB holders should be aware of, especially considering the broader meme coin market is already taking a beating Dogecoin, Pepe Bank, Floki. They're all down significantly.
So it's like this double whammy of overall meme coin weakness plus this ominous death cross specifically for SHIB.
Right.
Not exactly confidence inspiring. What else is contributing to this potential crash? The article also mentioned burn rate.
Yeah.
What's going on there?
Reburning tokens is a way to reduce supply and increase scarcity, which theoretically boosts value. But SHIB's burn rate is down a whopping 88%.
Wow.
They've burned less than 25 million tokens this week, which is worth less than $400. This could further exacerbate the price drops we're already seeing.
Okay, so death cross plus weak burn rate. Anything else CoinTalk podcast viewers should be watching out for? The article mentioned Shibarium SHIB's Layer 2 network was underperforming.
Yeah.
Could you explain what's going on there and why it matters?
Sure. Shibarium was meant to improve SHIB's transaction speed and costs, kind of like adding an express lane to a busy highway. The idea was to make the whole SHIB ecosystem faster and cheaper to use, which would attract more users and developers.
Which would be good for the price, obviously.
Exactly. The problem is it's just not happening, despite nearly 900 million transactions already. The number of network addresses has stagnated at around 2.1 million.
Huh.
Even more worrying is the decline in fees and the total value locked, or TVL, in its DeFi ecosystem, which has plummeted below $2.5 million.
Oh, wow.
This basically means people aren't putting their money into Shibarium like they were expecting, and if the network isn't attracting users and capital, that's a big red flag.
So for those of you holding SHIB, this Shibarium situation is definitely something to watch. A healthy Layer 2 network would be a major boost for SHIB, but right now it's actually adding to the concerns. On top of everything else the article mentioned, weakening futures open interest. Now that sounds pretty technical. Can you break that down for our CoinTalk podcast audience?
Basically, it's a measure of how many futures contracts for SHIB are currently open. It gives us a sense of investor sentiment. Are they bullish or bearish on the future of ESH? And right now, open interest is sitting at $182 million, which is a significant drop from its year-to-date high of $542 million.
So traders are less confident in SHIB.
Yes, and that's reflected in this bearish pennant pattern we're seeing. For those of you watching on YouTube, we have a chart illustrating this pattern on the screen right now. Essentially, this pattern suggests that SHIB could drop to 0.000000004860. And if it breaks below that support level, it could fall even further to 170.00000000848.
A 45% drop, just as Crypto.news predicted. This is starting to look like a pretty serious situation. But before we get too doom and gloom, is there anything that could potentially turn the tide for SHIB?
Well, meme coins are notoriously volatile. Remember Dogecoin?
Oh, yeah.
They can skyrocket seemingly out of nowhere.
True, the SHIB Army Shivs community is also incredibly passionate.
Right.
They've shown a willingness to hold on to their tokens even during tough times.
That's right. Their support could help bolster the price, at least to some extent. And it's still early days for Shibarium. It's possible the development team is working on updates that could turn things around.
So while the technical indicators and market sentiment might be flashing warning signs, there's still a glimmer of hope for SHIB. It's really a wait-and-see situation. At this point, we'll continue to monitor the situation closely. In the meantime, if you're a SHIB holder, you might want to consider tightening your stop-loss orders given what we've discussed today.
That's a good point. Protecting your investment is crucial in this volatile market.
Absolutely. And for our CoinTalk podcast viewers on YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment with your thoughts on SHIB's future. We love hearing from you. We'll be back in part 2 to discuss what this potential crash means for the broader meme coin market. Stay tuned.
Welcome back to the Deep Dive CoinTalk Podcast, viewers.
So we've spent part 1 dissecting the very specific challenges that Shiba Inu is facing right now.
Right.
But what does this all mean for the meme coin market as a whole? Should CoinTalk Podcast viewers be worried about their other meme coin holdings?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And to answer it, we need to understand what drives meme coins in the first place. They're not like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which have established use cases and technology. Meme coins are fueled by social media hype and speculation, often riding the wave of internet trends.
Right. It's more about community and sentiment than underlying value.
Yeah.
Which makes them incredibly volatile. We've seen meme coins explode overnight and then crash just as quickly.
Exactly. So with SHIB being one of the most prominent meme coins, its struggles could be a sign that the tide is turning. Investors might be getting more cautious, realizing that not all meme coins are created equal.
Especially if they've been burned by SHIB's decline, it could make them hesitant to jump on the next meme coin bandwagon.
Right.
Which could have a ripple effect across the entire market. But the meme coin landscape is constantly changing, right? Couldn't SHIB's potential crash create opportunities for other meme coins?
Absolutely. It's like a game of musical chairs. When one coin falls, others might rise to take its place. So the key for investors is to identify the meme coins that have the potential to weather the storm and come out on top.
Okay, so how do we do that? What separates the meme coins that are here to stay from the ones that are just a flash in the pan?
There are a few key factors to consider. First and foremost is community engagement.
Okay.
Meme coins rely heavily on the enthusiasm and support of their communities. Look for coins with a passionate and active community that's involved in promoting the project, not just hyping the price.
So it's not just about the size of the community, but the quality of their engagement.
Exactly. Another crucial factor is utility beyond the memes and the hype. Does the coin offer any real-world use cases? Are they being integrated into payment platforms? Are they powering decentralized applications? Meme coins that provide tangible benefits are more likely to gain long-term traction.
It gives them a reason to exist beyond just being a funny picture on the internet. They actually have to offer some kind of value.
Precisely, and finally, it's important to consider the development team behind the coin. Are they transparent? Do they have a proven track record? Are they committed to the long-term success of the project? A strong development team can instill confidence in investors and signal that the coin is more than just a quick cash grab.
So essentially, CoinTalk Podcast viewers should be looking for meme coins with strong communities, real-world utility, and reputable development teams.
That's a good starting point. But remember, meme coins are inherently risky. Don't get caught up in the hype. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Absolutely. Investing in meme coins should be treated like entertainment money, not your life savings.
Right. And diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to meme coins. Spread your investments across different asset classes and cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk.
So while SHIB's potential crash might shake up the meme coin market, it doesn't necessarily spell doom for the entire sector. There will likely be winners and losers, as always.
Exactly, and the savvy investors will be the ones who can identify the coins with the strongest fundamentals and the most potential for long-term growth.
Well said. Now, before we move on to part 3 of our deep dive, where we'll discuss what all of this means for you, our listeners, I want to remind our CoinTalk Podcast viewers on YouTube to hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts on the future of meme coins, and share this deep dive with your crypto friends.
We love hearing from you guys. We'll be right back to wrap things up. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the Deep Dive CoinTalk Podcast crew. It's time to bring it all home.
We've analyzed the technical indicators, market sentiment, and the broader meme coin landscape. Now let's shift gears and discuss what this all means for you, our viewers.
All right, for our CoinTalk Podcast viewers, this is where the rubber meets the road. What are the key takeaways here? What should people be thinking about, especially if they're holding meme coins?
The first thing, and I can't stress this enough, is don't get caught up in the hype. It's easy to see those crazy meme coin gains and feel like you're missing out. But remember, hype-driven rallies can disappear as quickly as they appear.
Oh, absolutely. The fear of missing out, FOMO, is powerful, but it can also lead to some bad decisions.
Exactly. So always do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency, but especially meme coins. Understand the project, the team behind it, the risks involved. Don't just blindly follow the crowd.
Treat any money you put into meme coins like entertainment money, money you're okay with losing.
Right. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, because the reality is cryptocurrency is volatile and meme coins are even more so.
So for those of you watching on CoinTalk Podcast who maybe went all in on SHIB or other meme coins, what would you advise them to do right now, given everything we've discussed?
Well, the first thing is to take a breath and assess your risk tolerance if you're comfortable with the potential for big swings. Meme coins might still be a part of your portfolio.
Okay.
But you need to be strategic. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify.
Spread those investments around, right?
Exactly. Look for projects with strong communities, real-world utility, and solid development teams. And remember, this market is constantly changing. What's hot today could be gone tomorrow. Stay informed. Do your research and adapt your strategy as needed.
That's great advice. Knowledge is power in the crypto world, and luckily for our CoinTalk Podcast viewers, we're breaking it all down for you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future episodes.
And if you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your crypto friends. The more informed we all are, the better decisions we can make.
Absolutely. So as we wrap up this deep dive, let's leave our CoinTalk Podcast family with one final thought. If SHIB does crash, will it take the entire meme coin market down with it, or will new champions emerge from the ashes?
That's the big question. What do you think, viewers? Head over to the comments section and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your predictions for the future of meme coins.
Thanks for joining us on the deep dive. Until next time, happy investing.